Hello, good morning, everyone. Uh, Today I will learn how to connect your front end to back end. So now first we start file, new website. We start for ASP.NET empty website. Let's take a data source, SQL Server database, and create a new table inside the SQL data source. So prepare your backend. Yes, your database is inside the application data folder because your application data folder gives the by default security to your web pages. Like table, add new table in your server explorer. Add some columns like serial number with integer data type, name, variable type character, and address. Also the variable type characters. Make serial number to primary key. Also set is identity to true. Yes, got it. Save your table with the specific name like EMP. Save it. Okay, done. Now add your first tuple in your table using show table data. Name is here is Tarun. Oops. Uh, Now Jacob, and address is USA. It's my nickname Jacob, and I'm from USA. Uh, in previous time I live in India, so now I live in USA. So, so let's start. Take another web form, add in design window, add new SQL data source control. Add SQL data source control to the design. After adding to SQL data source to the design page, you can configure your SQL data source control with your backend. Now configure your data source with your table. Like configure data source. Click on link configure data source using show smart tab. choose your connection database as a database.mdf, which is reside in a application data folder. Now your connection string, after selecting your database, now your connection string is this: data source equals to SQL Express, means your server name SQL Express. Attached database file name is a data directory is directly denoted to application data folder, and database.mdf is reside in your database. Integrated security means true. Uh, it is means by default consider Windows security. If you want to take here false, now you can take username and password. If you consider false integrated security, now user instance equals to also true. Next, yes, save the connection as connection string. By default your connection string is saved in web.config file. Now you can check it. Storing connection string in the application configuration file. Your connection string is named as connection string. You can change it with a specific name like Jacob also. Save your connection string in web.config file. Yes. Select a table in given wizard. I have only one table, so employee. Now also select the particular column which you want to display on your design page. Select advanced. If your table is having only one primary key, then your checkbox is enabled. Not. Please listen carefully. If your table having only one primary key, then your checkbox is enabled. Otherwise, your checkbox is disabled. Looking like this. Yes. Generate, insert, update and delete statement with your SQL data source. Click to next. Test query and finish. Now your SQL data source contains backend applications. If you want to show data from databases on the design page, you can take different controls like data list, data pager, that detail view, form. It is too slow. Further, explain you how to show data on design page using SQL data source control. Please check. Let's again further video.